Good day, sir. This is our project POS system. Point of sale application with OOP principles and asynchronous programming for restaurants. Our members are
Guys, Asin Dundia.
Rice Kenji Herrera,
and I have the leader, Joseph Paradilla.
and this is
Our project's name is JFox Carinderia.
So the key features of this project is to first manage order. In managing orders, you have to add and remove items from the orders and to calculate the total price and balance of the order. Second is to support multiple payment methods. There are three payment methods that we include in our project. First is cash payment, second is card payment, third is GCash payment. So after this project can generate receipt and display a real-time date and time. Next is the polymorphism of this project is the dynamic method dispatch. Payment method selection, which includes the cash order, card order, and GCash order payment. Handled dynamically based on the user input. So this is the screenshot of the program in this part. Yes, the method. The third part is the inheritance class hierarchy. So this is the diagram of the inheritance class hierarchy. So the cloud infrastructure is payment method, cash payment, card payment, GCash payment. The benefit of this is code reusability and easy extension for new payment methods. So this is the diagram. Payment method, and then process payment, the cash, card, and GCash payment.
okay.
So the encapsulation part. So this is the code, the program of this part. So private field and accessor mutator methods. Ano isa there? Ano isa rin? Private double total amount of cash received. Yes, so this is the asynchronous programming in action timers and asynchronous order processing. So this is the screenshots of this part of the program. And the use of the programming in action timer is a live clock updates every second using a thread. Ano siya sir, right? Kani. Tingnan. So these are the challenges and solution that we faced in making this project. So the
First challenge na kuan kay ensuring accurate receipt, formatting and calculations. Ang solusyon naman na kay gamit mig string para format for consent number formatting. Ang challenge number 2. Second challenge namo kay to keep the UI responsive during sa pag payment process. Ang solusyon namo nga na kuan na kay magamit mig separate threads for long running task. Sa challenge 3, third challenge namo kay kuan sa pag-validate sa payment sa inputs sa card numbers o GCash numbers. Wala na mo gilabot ang sa cash kay sudsuran among ganahan. Sa pag-validate sa payment inputs sa card numbers o GCash numbers, wala lang na mo gi-validate ang sa cash kay ganahan mi dito sura. Pero natoy thread nga process but solution added sa solution naman na kay ga-add mig rejects based validation and user friendly error para okay. Visuals You add may examples of error message or map user input scenarios. Wala mong challenge and solution sir.
To summarize the kanang project namo is this project is a POS or point of sale system designed for managing orders and payments at a restaurant. It provides functionalities for adding items to an order, calculating the total price, and processing payments via cash, card, or GCash, and also it generating a receipt. The system utilizes object-oriented programming principles, including polymorphism, inheritance, encapsulation, and abstraction to ensure flexibility and maintainability. Asynchronous programming is used to ensure real-time updates for time and order processing without freezing the user interface. That's all. Thank you.
So, good day, sir. This is the GPAX Carinderia POS. So, this part in here, sir, is what you can see. The foods is the items that you can and you will order. So, after you order this, example, you will choose this one. It will come out in here. So, in this place, your order will come out, and this one is where the receipt will be printed. This one, sir. And the total, sir, as you can see in here, is the total amount of the foods that you order. And this one, as you can see, the cash part is the amount of your money that you paid, and the balance part is your change. And the next one is the delete part. So the function of this one is to delete the order that you don't want. So for example, you choose this one and it come out in here and you want to cancel it. So it is the way to cancel your order. So I will show you later how to do it. And the next one is the new order button. So for example, you've already finished for the one order and you want to take another order, you will only click this one to proceed to another order. And for the pay part is after you order all the food that you want, and you will pay and choose what kind of payment method you want. That is what you do. And for the print part is for it to print the receipt of the order. So we will show you, sir, how it looks. We will run it. Okay. So this one, let's go. So this is our UI, very basic. So this one, as you can see, sir, it is very aesthetic. Only gray, white, and the burgers. Next.
Go to the B.
So this is it, sir. How you do it? So this is the GPAX Carinderia logo, name, and then this is the foods that you will order. For example, you want a 1-piece set combo. This one. So let's click this. And this, after you want a burger, hamburger. Wow. Look at that, sir. Very good. The price is 20 and 60. The total is wala pa. Kaya wala pa man nato di-click. Wait sa sir. Karma. So next is, let's see how much it is. So let's pay. Boom. Apa day? So this is the total. This is the total. 80. You know why it's 80, sir? Because it's 20 plus 60. It's 80. Then next one is, let's pay it. For example, you only have 70 pesos. And then you pay it, boom, insufficient cash. Because you don't have enough money to buy it. So, what you will do is, you will input exact or more than the amount of the total. For example, you have 90 pesos. So let's pay it. Boom. Then after that, you will choose what method? Cash, card, GCash. Of course, let's choose cash. Cash. Boom, payment. 80 will be processing in cash. So, after that, you will have a 10 pesos change. So, after that, let's print the receipt. Processing payment. Yes, you can see. Boom. That's it, sir. You can see that, sir, like Jollibee. So after that, we will have a new order. See that, sir? All got receipted. Oops. The time, sir, 1:40 p.m. So next one is, let's order another so that we can choose GCash. Let's order one item only because we got full in the past order. So that's 20 pesos. 20. Let's pay it. We have 30 pesos pay. And let's choose the GCash method. And enter your number. 0915334459. So you need to input at least 11 digit because that's the GCash number. 11 only, no 12, no 10, only 11. So you will choose okay. Boom. Process your payment. Okay na, sir. Then, so as you can see, you have 10 pesos. Di makita na yung kurso. You have 10 pesos change. So you will print the receipt. It will process and then it will print. Boom, piti. You see that, sir? Murag sabihin libre eh. So, as you can see, sir, that's it. No pansit. Then, oh, you want to delete the order? You can delete it, sir, like this. Delete and then pay. No total because you don't have order. So, that's it. And you will click the new order. Bam, it will reset. So that's it, sir. You will delete it. You want to delete it? Delete it. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.